Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. So basically, if you want to use your own picture or image as a watch face, you can do it, and I'm gonna show you how. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect app. Once the devices are paired, you will also need to install or download and install the IQ Store on your phone. To do it, open the App Store on your phone, tap on search, type in Garmin IQ, tap search, and you should see the app called Connect IQ Store. Tap on it, tap on install. Once the app is done installing, you can tap on open, then tap on welcome. Here you can continue with the same account as you have as you are logged in into a Garmin Connect app, or you can switch the accounts if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on continue, agree to the terms of use. And here we have the main page of the IQ Store. It's gonna load in a second. Okay, once it loads, tap on the Face It icon right here, and then tap on this plus button. And now we have two options, camera and gallery. If you want to basically take a picture now and use it as a watch face, select the camera option. And if you want to use the photo from the gallery, select the gallery. I'm gonna select the gallery, allow the permission for the storage. And here we have the Photos app. We can browse through it to find the photo. I'm gonna open the download folder, select the photo, and here we have basically customization for our watch face. We can change the style of the clock. There's quite a few. Then we can, I believe, change the color of the hours, or rather time. I don't know why we can only change the color of the minutes and day, but as you can see, we can change it. And we can also tap on this to change the type of the font for the timer. And once you're done customizing your watch face, you can also basically crop the image, so you can move this frame around and you can zoom in, zoom out, and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area right here, this is gonna be on your watch face. This is basically a preview of it. I'm gonna center it like this, and once you're done, tap on done button, name your watch face, and tap save. Here you can upload the watch face to cloud storage, I believe. If you want, tap on cloud storage settings, but I'm just gonna tap on the screen or on back button. No, let's tap on cloud storage then, and then go back. And now you should see the preview of your watch face, and you have this install button right here. Tap on it. As you can see, the watch face is ready and it's gonna be syncing with our watch. It's installing at the moment, so let's wait. And once it's done installing, you will see your watch face on your watch right here. And that's how you set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.